Hey guys, if you're a mobile forklift mechanic and you're traveling around getting greasy, grimy, servicing fork trucks, I'm going to show you how well our hand and tool wipes work at removing all kinds of stuff. Hydraulic fluid, chain wax, you name it, whatever I can find on this thing, I'm going to put it on my hands and take it off. Alright, so I'm basically going to find anything that I can. I see a leaky hydraulic line here. This old Heister lift is leaking from about everywhere possible. There's grease going. Ooh, that's a good find. I'm gonna grab some chain wax over here. Maybe some leaky hydraulic fluid. I think you get the idea. So if you ever have this issue, let me show you how well our hand wipes work. Man, so as you can tell, we had a ton of crap on my hands. One wipe later, this thing is super absorbent. It's got a nice textured scrubbing side and a smooth side. Just like that, one wipe later, ready to get back to work.